Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mark and today we'll have another video. I know it's been a long time I didn't make any videos about the stock market because I'm kind of busy about my studying. But anyway, I get sometimes so I say to share something good for you, which is if you want to follow me on it, I feel on my belief at stocks, my experience, I feel this one is really good time to make a call. If you doesn't know how to make a call, I will tell you right now the steps. Look at this one. I think we make a video about it explaining this kind of a company that make electric cars at China, something like Neo. Look at Neo. Yeah, if you know Neo. And if you know Neo it's been a long time for it down, but because they're going up a lot, like 1,462%. But it's just a time and it's gonna go up again. So it's good time right now to buy. But look now, if you bought it at 56, it's good. But now I'm talking about something else. I'm talking about coal. Look, you still have a lot of time. That is gonna bunch back here. It's gonna bunch back at the top. They lose a lot. They lose a lot the last time, you see. This is 7%. But coal is different from position. Now you buy a coal from the down. So imagine if we bounce back, now, you see this we bounce back. How we'll be looking at the other one. Now I bought it from here, from 168, I think. $18 at a few minutes. It's actually a few minutes. I made from 20 minutes ago, and you still have time. It is still not going to the green yet. So it is good time to make a call for this company, Xpev. It's gonna come back. It's gonna go up again. This company is kind of the same thing like Neo. You see, 100%. It's the same thing. They started at 23 and going up, going down again, but it's gonna go up again. We know the electric cars. We know Tesla. We know how they keep going at this track to be at the top of the cars. Know that China gonna make electric cars a lot at the next time for the climate change. So yeah, there is a good time to buy it. Now it's 21. You see, 22. Whatever you like, make your conclusion, make your study on this one. And if you believe that it's gonna be a good call to go on it, or if you want to buy it like a normal share, do it. I'm just said my knowledge, what I know. And if you would like to follow me, that's fine. If not, make use of it and see what will happen. That's it for today, and have a great day, guys.